Looking for a story for your child to learn English? Look no further. Enjoy learning about fluffy animals, amazing places, wonderful people. Welcome to Mr. Charles's Story Time. Today's story is Allie and Ollie. Allie and Ollie are dogs. Allie and Ollie are sisters. Allie and Ollie think they are people. Allie and Ollie sit like people. Allie and Ollie eat like people. Allie and Ollie run like people. Allie and Ollie sleep like people. But Allie and Ollie chase cats just like dogs. The end. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, all the best.